And let's start with the thing that got me first. It has a heated seat. So as you guys know, I live in Michigan. And if you know about Michigan winters, you already know what I'm about to say. A cold toilet seat, first thing in the morning, is one of the most traumatic experiences a human could have. And I'm not being dramatic. Okay, maybe a little. The X70 has an adjustable seat warmer. So no matter what season you're in, you're sitting down on something that feels comfortable. The first time I sat on it in January, I almost cried to the cheeks heavens. And you know, I'm not a rich person, but this is what being rich feels like. This is luxury. And I feel like if I ran for office, I would make this the standard everywhere. I would sign an executive order and make sure everyone has warming seats. Now, I know some of you are already nervous. I was too. Here's the thing, you're in control. I mean, literally, there's a controller. You have multiple modes. You have adult wash, feminine wash, kids wash, and a post wash. And you can adjust the pressure. Now don't be crazy and go to 5 off rip. Start off at 2 and work your way up. I like 2. I think 2 is cool because 5, you're not ready for 5. 5 is strong. It's a hygiene upgrade that you won't want to live without. You gotta trust the process though. And then there's a dryer. After your bidet session with the X70 has a high-speed warm air dryer that actually moves for fast drying. You sit, push a couple buttons, you're done, you're fresh, you stand up and go start to finish. A complete experience.